Hey everybody, Jason Manili with Team Manili here once again. We are going to be trying something a little new this time. We are going to do a full kitchen remodel. So we're going to be doing a multi-segment feature featuring kind of how we tear apart this old 1944 kitchen, which is tiny by the way. It's a whopping 9 feet by 13 feet. And how we expand it, the things we've done, the products we use. And so stay tuned, we'll check it all out. All right, so here we are. We got our old kitchen. Like I said, it is a whopping 9 feet by 13 feet. There is not a whole lot of space. Our ceilings are 8 feet high. And as you can see in this one, they did not take advantage of the full height, which is a shame in this kitchen because you can really use some more space on this one. We have some wonderful old rental appliances in here, all electric. This whole house for that matter is all electric. And so we're going to reconfigure this whole spot. What's going to happen is we're going to pull out this window, the old window where you can feel drafts coming through and they're nice and shaky. We're going to put in a new double pane window, and then we are going to take out all the cabinets. We're going to open up this whole space and redo all the lighting. We will do kind of a variation on lighting. We will do some work lighting, some aesthetic lighting, and then we will do general lighting as well. And we will add some gas appliances to it. So this island will go out, and then this will all become open space. So no island, no overhead cabinets. And then that door is going to go down to a single door. We're going to fill this in, and then we have a new refrigerator that will go here, pantry cabinets on each side, and then again, more lighting in here. We'll rework the electrical, we'll rework the plumbing, and then the piece de la resistance is we are going to take out this big load-bearing wall right here. This is gonna be the big piece. So we're gonna take this out. We pulled permits, and we have to do, since this is a 3-story house, we have to reinforce the basement. And then we'll have to get a glulam beam for here to support all of this. And then this will open up this whole space, make it much more usable, feel much more modern, and much more workable for modern standards. What will happen is we will come into here, and this is our new refrigerator, and it will, once we get this wall down, it'll be easy to move it in because it is such a big, tall unit that we'll take it out this way. And then we will have, again, cabinets on this side, on each side, flanking a fireplace here. And once that's all done, we can redo the floors, all the hardwoods, the stairs, the handrails, the entire floors are going to be restained, and it will look beautiful once it's all done. You can see we've already started with the windows here. And this is going to be the same Milgard windows that go into the back there. We will redo all the moldings around the windows, and they will all match to the rest of the house. It'll be much, much more energy efficient, much less of a breeze that comes through the house in the wintertime, which will be so much more comfortable. And so I hope you guys kind of tune in and watch the progress. It's going to take a couple of months, and but hopefully we'll have this all done by the new year. Right now, this is November 3rd, so I'm being ambitious, and I'm hoping I can get this done by the 1st of the year. So stay tuned, check it out, and don't make too much fun of us.